Hi, I'm Tiffany, a senior social worker with San Joaquin County Public Health Services. Let's talk about a question many of you may be too afraid to ask. Can you catch COVID-19 from having sex? First, it's important to understand how COVID-19 is transmitted. Someone with COVID-19 can transmit the virus when they are within 6 feet of you and they cough or sneeze without covering themselves. The virus also spreads through direct contact with an infected person's saliva, mucus, or feces. Although COVID-19 has not been found in semen or vaginal fluid, you can transmit COVID-19 by means of kissing or any activity that involves the exchange of saliva, mucus, or feces. Here are some steps you can take to have sex safely. You are your safest sex partner. Touching yourself or masturbation will not spread COVID-19, especially if you wash your hands and any sex toys you may use with soap and water for at least 20 seconds before and after sex. If you're going to have sex with others, prioritize those who you live with only. Having close contact, including sex, with only a small circle of people helps prevent the spread of COVID-19. If you usually have sex outside a small circle of people, consider taking a break from in-person encounters. Video dates, sexting, or chat rooms are great options for you during this time. Most importantly, if you are feeling unwell and have symptoms such as fever, cough, and shortness of breath, do not have sex. It's not worth it. You should still be using preventative measures to protect yourself against STIs, HIV, and pregnancy, such as using condoms, PrEP, dental dams, and birth control. For more information on how to stay safe and for the latest updates on our COVID-19 response, visit www.sjcphs.org.